A set of nice rims can greatly enhance the appearance of a Volvo. In addition to rims, there are few things that can dramatically improve the look of your car while being so easy to install as spacers. Spacers are mounted between the brake disc and the wheel to push out the rim further, thus filling out the wheel well more and giving the Volvo a more aggressive appearance. Additionally, the Volvo becomes more stable in the corners due to the wider wheelbase. Even as little as 15 mm makes a big difference. Let me show you the spacers we have. Our spacers range from 5 to 40 mm, but pushing out the wheel isn't the only thing you can do with spacers. And if you like Volvo as much as we do, then you must subscribe to the channel, because here everything's about Volvo. All these spacers do the same thing, they just push out the wheel. They come in 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35 and even 40 mm. These have the same hub size here against the brake disc and the hub as it has from the outside. And then we have these that either reduce or enlarge the hub size depending on what you need. So, for example, if you have an older Volvo and want to mount newer rims, you will need spacers to change both the size of the hub and to push out the rims if the ET is different on older and newer cars. And what are the disadvantages? What should you avoid with spacers? The downside with the wider wheelbase is that it increases the lever effect on the steering, which causes more wear on the front end parts. It is important that the rim must not extend beyond the fender edge. And if you are not sure, make sure you check your local laws for spacers in your country before mounting them. All our spacers are manufactured according to the specific hub dimensions of the Volvo model in strong aluminium with a black anodizing treatment to prevent corrosion and to ensure that the spacer plate sits neatly behind the rim. And of course, longer wheel bolts are included in the kit, so it's as easy as possible for you to mount them. And while you're at it, take the opportunity to paint the brake caliper. You can find a video on how to do it up here. Thank you for watching, have a great day.